What is up? It's Rissa. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, it is going to be a review on the new Mented Cosmetics product, Mented Perfect Prime. It has vitamin C and E, and it will allow your skin to look smoother, more blurred out, and mattified. It also mentions that you can use this alone, so you don't have to wear makeup with it, which I find very, very interesting. So I decided to do the lighting like this today so you can really just see everything. Because I feel like if I have a lot of studio lights, it just won't pick up on camera that well. We're giving you natural face today. I have no makeup on. I'm going to put one side of my face with the foundation and the primer, and this side is just going to be with the foundation, just to see if this really makes a difference on the skin. Super cute. I love the all white. Mented Cosmetics always have the best packaging. Like, it's just so aesthetically pleasing with the matte. I love it. So this is what the primer looks like. We're just going to go ahead and actually just draw it on. Silicone-y, which I actually don't mind because it feels like it gives you just a blank canvas to work on. Up into whatever I need to be blurred. This side, obviously, it feels more like skin, and then I feel this side, it just feels so blank. I hope I'm describing this right, but it actually feels really good. And I definitely feel like it mattified and kind of blurred out a little bit of my texture. Like, I'm looking in the mirror and this kind of looks like it's smoothed down a little bit. I don't know if you could tell in person. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but in person, my smile line looks a little bit blurred, but okay. So I love the texture of it. So let's move on to foundation. I'm going to be using Mented Cosmetics foundation stick. This is in the shade L10. This is like one of my favorite foundations. This is the real test right here to see if my pores come through. Oh my gosh, hold on, did you see that? Use the Mented brush and just buff that into the skin. Literally just glides right on, and it does look mattifying. Like, it definitely looks more blurred. This is gonna be the side without the primer, as you can see right here. Hold on. Can you see that? It looks very rough in this area, and this is without the primer. I don't have any issues with this primer, like, at all. Like, there's nothing that bothered me about it. I think it personally gave me a smoother canvas. It might be hard to tell on camera, but I'm gonna take my phone and see with the back camera and see what it looks like. This side is very, very smooth over here, so I really like the finish of this primer. But when you put on your skin, it definitely just gives you a smoother canvas, and that's pretty much why you want to use primer, is just to give you that smoother look, and also to blur out any pores that you may have and kind of give you that little boost of hydration or whatever the case may be underneath your makeup. So I personally really, really like how my skin looks. Applying this on my neck for no reason, but it does feel so smooth. And you just put that in. It just gives you like that silicone base that just feels so smooth. Oily skin, like if you have like an oily T-zone, please try this out, because this will look so good if you don't have makeup on as well. So you don't have to wear makeup to use this primer. So yeah, let me know what you think.